This is the ROG Ally. This is a handheld PC clearly made for gaming, and these are 5 things that you should know before buying one. Number 1. Despite the way it looks, it is a Windows PC, so it has both the advantages and the power that platform, but also the headaches and the issues that are associated with a Windows machine. Number 2. It is the first of Skype, at least in modern days, which means there might be bugs, there might be issues, but it doesn't have any competition other than the Ion Neo. So manage your expectations when getting this device. And if you do run into issues, why don't you tell us what kind of issues you're encountering if you're able to get it resolved. Number 3. If you want to get the most out of that modern AAA title, then 720p and RIS is your friend. Dropping the resolution from 1080p to 720p gives a big performance boost, and if you're worried about the sharpness despite the small size of its screen, then RIS, or the image sharpening feature that AMD has developed, will help bring back some of the sharpness that was lost when scaling down your game to 720p without affecting frame rates or power usage. Next, you may have already heard this, but the battery life of the ROG Ally kinda sucks, which means you have to manage it really well. So if you're not running a resource-hungry game, then simply switch to silent mode, which brings down the power consumption to 10 watts, or even performance mode, which brings it down to 15 watts as opposed to 25 watts on the turbo mode. Last but not least, if you want to get more out of your ROG Ally, then you can connect an iGPU or an external GPU such as the ROG XG Mobile, which comes with the ROG Z-Flow, which we reviewed some time ago. If you look over here, that is that proprietary connection that ASUS has developed. So you can take advantage of having a dedicated GPU connected to the ROG Ally, and that is really gonna bring performance up to the next level. In the Philippines, the baseline model retails for 40,000 pesos, while the extreme version retails for 44,000 pesos, which is probably the better deal out of the two. So do you have any questions about the ROG Ally? Just drop them in the comment section, and we'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Paalam!